Hello students and dear parents, how are you? This is Maths for Grade 1 in first term, fourth week, fourth day lesson. Last time, as you remember, we already started chapter 2, operation on numbers and comparing numbers, right? Today, in this lesson also, we will see more examples of addition and subtraction of numbers. Our discussion page would be page 28 and 30, right? Mr. Melissa, let's continue. At the end of this, you'll be able to identify signs of additions, subtraction, equal signs, and also you perform addition and subtraction numbers through 10. Well, before we see in detail, let's see what you have discussed last time. Last time, as you remember, we have seen addition, basic addition facts, some properties, and also applications. Yes, and techniques of addition and subtractions, and some terms used. Here, to add subtraction and additions, we can use these diagrams and also some. The numbers that is going to be added are called addends. The results that you get from addition is sum, and from subtraction is difference. We said that last time. Here also I have given you one homework on page 27, right? Page 27 I have given you this word problem. The first one says there are 4 rabbits. 5 more rabbits come. How many are here total? So this is what? Is it addition or subtraction problem? Tell the answer to your parents. If you say addition, yes, good job. So it's addition, right? So first there were 4 and 5 more came. Totally there are how many rabbits? 9. How do you get 9? Counting, okay? Hold 5, take out your 4 fingers, you can count them, okay? 5 in your mind, 4 in your finger, count, it will be 9. Again here, you have 9 leaves and 6 another type of leaves. How many more this one leaves than this one? The first type of leaf than the second one. How many more? So you are asking here what? Addition or subtraction? Since it says how many more, that means subtraction. You are asking the difference. By how much the first leaf is more than the second one. So this is a subtraction problem. So you subtract 6 from 9, it will be 3. Or you cancel out 6 from 9. How many remains? 3. Insert. Miguel has 10 cents. He buys a doll for 7 cents. How much money does he have left? Again, how much left means you are asked to subtract. To get the remaining money, you have to what? Subtract. So you subtract 7 from 10, it will be 3. And 4, number 4, Jenny has 5 flowers. She finds 2 more. What is the sum of 5 plus 2? 5 plus 2 is 7. There are 8, what we call this animal, and 3 run away. What is 8 minus 3? 8 minus 3, 5. Yes? 5 is the correct answer. Lastly, you have I buy a pencil for 4 cents. I buy pen for 6. How much money did I spend in total? I spent 4 for pencil, 6 for pen, so totally the sum. I'm asked here to find the sum, so it will be 10, right? 10 cents. I spent 10. This was your homework. Today, you will see in detail addition and subtraction, okay? Last time, I remember, there are some properties of addition. Adding 0 to a number doesn't change the answers, and also subtracting the same equal numbers will result 0. Okay, now here we have 4 different techniques of adding or subtraction. Okay, to add two numbers we can use these 4 ways of addition. The first one shows picture. Okay, by using picture we can also add numbers by using a diagram, by using counters, and also here by mathematical sentence we can show or do maths. Here additions. John has 8 white socks and 2 gray socks. Look, he has how many? 8 white socks and 2 gray socks. Now, how many socks does he have in all? How many socks does he have in all? 8 white socks, 2 gray, totally. By counting or by using picture, we can express in this way. And second, there are what? 8 white socks, 2 gray socks, totally 10. Here also by counter method, here we have 10 white dots, blanks. So if you share 2, this indicates the 2 gray socks, and the other whites represents the white socks, so it will be totally 10. Yes. And here, by using mathematical expression, here you have what? 8 white socks, 2 gray socks, totally the sum will be 10, right? You have 10 socks in total. This is another way of addition, okay? By using 4 ways you can express addition. The next will be movie, the video, which shows addition, okay? Addition of 1-digit numbers. Next, we'll do some exercises, okay? After that, we'll do some exercise and then continue discussion. All right, students, I hope the video has helped you. Now, we're going to add 1-digit numbers by using different animals, right? So here is another way of addition techniques that I showed you earlier. You can express addition by using what? A picture graph, by picture here, or also by using diagram you can represent, and here by mathematical sentence also we can represent addition. Say for example, the problem says 6 ants sat on a log. 4 more ants come and join them. See, as you can see here, there is a log here, just like a house for ants. Okay, log, when we say these 4 ants come and join them, there were 6 inside. How many ants were there in all? To represent by picture, it would be like 6 plus 4. Okay, here again you have 10. How did you get 10? By adding 6 and 4 additional here. The 4 represents these ants, and also 6 the inside ants. Okay, by mathematical you can express 6 plus 4, it will be 10. The result is 10 here. Another example based on this one, we can do this. Louis has 8 fish. Tia has 7 fish. How many fish do they have in all? Louis has 8 fish. I can write here 8 and plus Tia 7 fish. How many fish do they have in all? Totally 1, 5. Okay, 1, 5. 15. You can represent this by using mathematical expressions. Okay, they have 15 fish in all by counting. Again, the next will be classwork. Now go to page 30 from your working book. There is addition and subtraction problem. Here you have a word problem, either addition or subtraction. So try to solve 4 questions and then we'll do it together. Okay, I'll start doing. You have 5 minutes for this one, or you can take 10, make it 10 minutes. Now start doing now. You can pause the video if you need, so start now. All right, have you finished? I hope you have finished the classwork. So let's proceed now. Here is the answers. The first it says what? Find out what happened to me at the bench. Draw a picture to solve each problem. Write a number sentence about it. I saw 2 sailboats. This is for your example. Okay, this is given as an example for you. I saw 2 sailboats. I saw 1 ship. How many boats did I see? How many boats did I see? 2 plus 1 is 3. Now the boy showing his 3 fingers. Okay, 2 boats plus 1 boat, it will be 3 in total. So this is one example. Now based on this, the first says, I found 4 big shells and I found 9 shells again. How many shells did I find? This one is what? Addition or subtraction? Since you are asked the total number of shells, it would be addition, right, students? Yeah, addition. So 9 plus 4 is 13. By counting 9 in your mind, 4 fingers in your hand, now you can count 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it will be 13 shells in total. Number 2. Is it addition or subtraction problem? Let's see. I saw 10 birds walking on the beach. 10 birds walking. 6 birds flew away. How many birds were left? Now you are asked how many birds were left. So it will be what? Subtraction. Because there were 10 at the beginning, so 6 flew away. So how many left? Means subtraction. Okay, to subtract 6 from 10 to be 4. By cancelling 6 from 10, how many will left? 4. Number 3. I caught 12 little fishes. I caught 12 little fish. I let them 8 of them go. I let 8 of them go. From 12, subtract 8. How many fish did I have left now? Again, this one will be subtraction. Subtract 8 from 12. How many left? Remaining 4. Lastly, I played with 5 boys and 6 girls at the beach. How many children did I play with at the beach? I played with 5 boys and 6 girls. Means the sum of all boys and girls. You are asked here the number of boys they were playing. So it will be the sum 11. This is the answers. Now let's continue. You can pause the video and take corrections. Okay. Now finally you have one more exercise for you to do it at home. Solve the word problem. It says add or subtract. I said before, we have seen addition and subtraction in detail, the techniques, ways of adding, and also there are different ways or expressions of addition. The first one is, as I showed you earlier, there are picture graph by using counters, diagrams, and mathematical expressions. We can represent addition. Okay, these are ways of representing addition. So based on this, try to solve the next word problem. This will be one additional exercise for you. So do it at home. And when you come back next, we'll see it together. So this is your homework. This is all about today's class. See you in the next. Thank you for watching and listening.